Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore geofencing behavior using Google Play Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Google Play Services installed on your device. Open the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Services. If an update is available, click the Update button to download and install it. Once updated, navigate to the settings on your device. Find and select Location or Location Services from the Settings menu. Ensure that Location Services are enabled on your device. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Apps or Application Manager. Locate Google Play Services in the list of installed apps. Tap on it to open its app details. Select Storage and then tap Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, go back to the app details and select Clear Data. This step will reset Google Play Services functionality, including geofencing. Now, restart your device to apply the changes. Once your device is back on, navigate to the app or service that requires geofencing functionality. Ensure that this app has permission to access your location. Open the app settings and enable any geofencing features if available. You may need to configure specific geofences within the app. Follow the prompts to set up your desired geofencing parameters. Test the geofencing behavior by moving in and out of the designated areas. Observe whether the app responds correctly to your location changes. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the app that relies on geofencing. After reinstalling, repeat the configuration steps for the geofence. You should now have restored the geofencing behavior using Google Play Services. Monitor its performance to ensure it operates smoothly over time. If you encounter further issues, reach out to the app developer for support. Following these steps will help ensure your geofencing features work effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.